And lo and behold, I mean, you never know who you meet, right? You never know who you're going to meet tonight. Well, Tex Christopher is running for Congress. Stand up here, the next Congressman of the United States. Thank you, Tex. Nice to see you. Tex is in one of my groups, and he said, Gil, I'm going to run for Congress. I want to make a difference, and there's going to be a vacancy on a particular seat. So I'm going to let Tex introduce himself for just a minute and talk with you, because he's going to be representing us. And I want us to help get a chance to know him, and if you feel led, you work with him on the campaign.
Thank you so much, Gil. Thank y'all so much for having me this evening. My name is Tex Christopher, and I'm running for U.S. Congress, 18th Congressional District. You guys know that seat is being filled by Sheila Jackson Lee. There's been some rumors this year that she might be thinking about vacating that seat and taking a job with the State Department with Hillary Clinton. Regardless, we're on the books to go ahead and run a race in the spring. And we want to come out and share with you guys this evening about the heart and the passion that we have for the people. It's been written several times in history. A man is who he is in his own castle. That means in order to see the real you, it can't be at church, it can't be in the marketplace, but to come by and visit with you and listen and validate your concerns and see the real you at your home is where it's truly, really at. And that is exactly what we're committed to do on this campaign. It's not about my morals and my values and my religious beliefs. I have all those, but it's about yours. As a small business owner myself, for the past 12 years, we do the exact same things when we come to visit with you at your place of business. Because the bottom line is you care about you care about your family, and you care about your business. Secondly, what we're also going to be doing is I'm going to be the very first congressman to go out and create a forum from a federal level to go out and invite the state and city council representatives to all be in the room at the same time for us to do what? To listen and to validate your concerns as a community. All too often, especially as small business owners, we're the participators, we're the 20%ers that actually go out there and take action each and every single day. And there's a lot of issues that face us as small business owners, and we need them to be listened to, and we need to be validated. That's exactly what we're going to do, and it allows you to hold all of us accountable. Because bottom line is we can come together as a community, we can talk about education, we can talk about crime, we can talk about any other thing that's affecting our business and our communities, but if we don't all get on the same page to where you guys can hold us accountability, pretty much it's esoteric babble that takes place. City council says, well, your state rep isn't here this evening. Your federal rep isn't here either. So that's exactly what we're on a mission to do. May 12th, we have the Derrick Hotel. It's a very nice place right here in the Galleria. We have the entire hotel. Really, you've been invited to sing God Bless America. We have Big Al from the Houston Astros opening it up with our national anthem. We have world-renowned public speaker Roy Flores, which will be speaking on my behalf, and Mr. Benny Lambert, national speaker. We're going to pack in with 300 powerful men and women from Southeast Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, San Antonio, Beaumont, and the big boys from Pottsboro, Texas themselves, all coming down, Christians, Catholics, Jewish community, Black, white, Hispanic, and Orientals all in one room to embrace this cause. Bottom line is this is the #1 speaking seat in the U.S. House of Representatives. I would be honored to have you guys in that room with us. Can you imagine the 300 powerful people in there, the relationships to be built a lifetime? It's the community getting behind Tex Christopher. Y'all can find out more information about it. You can go and join the team at www.texforcongress.com. That's texforcongress.com. Our slogan is this: others talk, I'm listening. Thank you so much for having me this evening.